Hello friend, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to change laptop or desktop security pin. Before starting the video, I will ask you something. Till if you not subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get my video fast. Okay, let's start. Friend, at first go to your settings of your laptop or PC. Then here click on account option. After that click on sign in option. Now you can see all security are shown here. If you wanna put face lock in your laptop, from here you can choose facial recognition. If you have fingerprint system for your security in your laptop, you can enable it from here, fingerprint recognition. If you wanna set pin lock in your laptop, you can also set up it from here. I have already set a pin lock for my laptop. Now I will change my pin to show you. Here click on pin option. Then click on change pin. At first type here your current pin. Okay, I will type my pin. Then type here new pin that you wanna put. One thing remember, you can't put common number pin like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. You have to put a number that should be random, not serially. Then again type here your new pin to confirm it. Then click on OK. Okay friend, you can see my laptop pin has changed. So friend, if this video is helpful for you, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. And if you have any problems related laptop and Android, type here your problem in the comment box. Okay friend, thanks for watching this video.